Hi, today we'll be learning about header files and classes. So I'm going to comment out the stuff we did last time. And then I'm just going to create a divider here. I'm going to type in header files and classes. Now classes are blueprints and header files are going to be files that include data that we're going to use. Let's see, and various CPP files. So we're going to go to header, C plus add, new item, and then change C plus to header files. Let's add in the name header1.h. And pragma once means that it's just going to include the header once in a CPP file when we include it. And let's type in our first class. Let's call it header1. Let's add in SS modifiers, public and private. No, anything under data's under public are accessible in the source file, CPP files, and private datas are not accessible within the source files. So we're going to create two functions: display data and display data 2. Now, display data doesn't have its code implemented, so we're going to implement that later. Let's include our stream. Let's type in std cout data, private data. Std end line. Then let's go to the source file in order to implement the display data. Going to source file, add a new item. Go to CPP file, type in header1. .cpp, add, and then let's include the header 1.h, and then I'm going to add a void, the class name, and then the scope operator, and then the function display data, and let's implement it. Let's do data equals private data, set private data equals 5. Let's do std cout data end line, std inline. Let's go back to our main function. Let's go to the very top and add and include a file to the header file. Then let's add in header 1, h1, and then let's access the let's call the display data and display data 2. So this should print out 2 and let's see, 2 and 5. Let's run this program. And 2 and 5. Now let's see. This is it for I think this is it for header files and classes. So the header files contains classes and structs. Or data that is SS data that is or data that is or data that is or can be accessed by different CPP files. This way, the data remains the same when they're accessed. Otherwise, there's going to be various datas. And then I think this is it for classes and header files. And thank you for watching.